Welcome.
We got ideas.
Thank you again for all of your support. Today we will learn how to draw a sailboat. So grab your art supplies. But before we do, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and happy drawing. We will begin by drawing the structure in between the sails, which is called the mast. Then we will draw the bottom of the boat, which is called the hull. Now we will draw two triangle-like shapes for the sails. Let's add a few stripes on this sail. Now let's draw the eyes. Let's not forget the mouth. And finally, the cheeks.
Sailboat.
You're almost done. All you have to do now is to color it. Fun fact, did you know the youngest person to sail around the world was only 16? Her name is Laura Decker. Great job, everyone. Remember, little artists, if you want to submit your artwork to me, email me at the email address below.
Like, share,
Subscribe.